Good morning. January 2, 2022. We are embarking on a magical sheeting journey. Current temp -3. Very, very nice out. However, well, not however, there's no however. I'm lucky. I'm on the south side. We have some 90 or 100k winds forecasted for today. Probably, believe it or not, it's probably close to that. But I'm on the south side, protected by trees. It is awesome. So I'll just lay this first row out, maybe the second row. One. So I'm leaving the sheeting off the ends so that I can add the fascia. I actually have 3 sheets of 1/2 inch left over yet, so I think I can finish this side 100%. That side I'll have to wait till I get some more material. It was kind of the plan, just to run myself out of material. Basically, not entirely, but to find out how much more I would need. So we're just finishing this top row here. Man, it went so good. So good. I can tell you it was fun. Sun's out. Probably right around 0. Loving it. This I'll nail it off. I'll cut my fascias and get them guys ready to go. I don't know if everybody's ever understood how to measure your fascia. It's incredibly simple. I'll show you in a minute. It's going to be a little hard to show you with sheeting on. Nope, it'll be okay. I can do it. There's a strong wind gust. Wasn't bad here though, but if that was on the west side, that'd be brutal. my case it's a rake. This is it, right here. Your first truss behind it, hook on. Run yourself down to the bottom tail. And in my case, I had to extend my tails, not getting into that story. But if this was your truss, you would be measuring right to the end of this tail, and you'd be 237 1/4 with your fascia board. Simple. Do it before you stand it. Do it when it's still laying down or whatever. It's real easy. This is different. I've just had to extend mine. Blah. I've already measured this, and I wrote it down, 244. So I can obviously see that measurement from my sawhorses. Easy peasy. So, hey, we're basically sheeted. I'm gonna grab my gun, nails, we'll nail this off. So I previously mentioned that I was perfectly out of 2x8, and I realized that I actually still have some right here, and this is why I can do one piece of fascia board on that back roof, because I can use this 2x8 for the one side, so I'll be able to get that one side done like I mentioned. So that was a little pleasant surprise. Alright, got my last two pieces on this side of this roof to do here. You can come along with me. Woot, woot. Oh, that's a nice clear side. That's full of little knots. Okay, we'll spin that. So that side has to be done yet, but like I said, yeah, I'm out of material, so I'll order some material for that. I think I'll need about 3 more sheets of 1/2 inch plywood. Then that should get me through my roof. So I'll nail this off. And for today, that means I can actually start doing the roof, and I'm going to go do the roof wall on that side of the garage, because that side of the garage is important because it's overhead power. You see that mast or that pipe on top of that garage? That what has to happen here. And everything I do, I need to get ready for the power, so that's always priority. Now that the roof's on, well, pretty much on. So I'm going to start sheeting that side. Woot, woot. Guys won't like that. And that. Very, very problematic when your nail does that. Done. Here we are, sheeting the side here. This is where the meter will go. The service will come off the wire there. The top one's powered, doesn't matter. This is where the panel goes. So I started sheeting this wall. Got these windows framed in, that door framed in. All I'm doing now is soffit backing on this gable. Remember, this was a 112. That is a first. So first paper, is we have to have paper under our soffit backing. Ladder. Uneven ground, that's never fun. All things considered, it's backfilled as best it can be for how this whole excavation and foundation went in. It's all okay. Ooh, that didn't go well. Still didn't go well. Too far of a reach. Put that somewhere where you'll remember. Probably not. Okay, so while I'm up on the ladder, because when you work alone, I'm going to try to think of more everything. So you're not, whatever. So 7 1/4 is the width of this. So that's my soffit backing. Punch a 2-inch in. Something tells me that 2 inch is going to be a problem. Bend it properly. There we go. Okay, for now we'll just put this right here where I'll reach it later. We want to put a few more staples into my paper. I'll call that good. Again, coming down 7 1/4, same width as my fascia board. Pull it taut. Again, I'll just store this here for now. I'm going to grab my gun and put my first piece of soffit backing on. I don't know why I raised my voice. It's irritating me. Alright, so if you remember this roof, yeah, I said already, it's a 112. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that lookout there. Lookout's a problemo. Time out. Time in. Okay, perfect. something's going on with this gun. I'm gonna have to get it repaired or buy a new one. Okay, so now, I don't know if you remember, but this soffit follows the same plane as this fascia board. So this here is on a 112. Now with this piece here, they will fasten the J here, and they'll fasten it here, all the way down this fascia board. Oh, come on. So you want to make it flush with your red line. Stop raising my voice. That's too far. So I am overall incredibly pleased with the day I had today. I've been waiting a long time to get to starting to do wall sheeting. Today I started, and it was, oh, I don't know, fun. Okay, I want to undo this now. So this is the end of the day here. When I sheet this, I'll finish this fascia return to the wall, and I'll put a piece of 2x8 here to continue this soffit to the end of that roof. That's it. Looks good. Got a little bit of shaving to do on that plywood, but I'm not really done the roof yet, so I was planning on saving all that for when I got this fascia installed and this last little portion sheeted. I was going to go and cut all the roof vents and fun stuff. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care, and we'll see you on the next one.